In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix call history missing on Messenger. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that your Messenger application is updated to the latest version. So just go to your App Store or Play Store and simply search for Messenger. Now from here, when you see an update button there, you need to tap on it and update your app first. Now you want to open Messenger. And as you can see, there is no call history section right here. This because on the latest update of Messenger on iPhone, your call history on Messenger will now be redirected to your phone's call history. So just tap here on your phone. And as you can see, we have our calls right here. It says Messenger video. You can also see here WhatsApp audio. So all of your Messenger call history will be redirected here on your call history on your phone. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.